Hey guys, my name is Madeline and welcome to my first video. You might be coming here from TikTok, and if so, hello again, and if not, go ahead and check out my account link below for more videos like this one. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to start a bullet journal. There is no need to be overwhelmed or scared, it's super easy with some practice. I got into journaling because I could never find a planner that worked 100% for me, and this is a way to make it 100% customizable. This journal by Artist Loft was only $6.99 from Michaels. It has tiny dots on the page that get you organized and help you make sections and straight lines. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys some supplies to get you started. I love these Tombow dual brush pens that add color and fun to my journal. They are great for calligraphy. But a journal's main purpose is to be functional, so honestly, the only thing you really need is a writing utensil. One side of the pen has a brush tip and the other is a thin marker. This is what the markers look like written on a piece of paper. I like doing this to keep track of what they look like. Some other essential supplies would be a normal pencil and some pens. I love this gel ink black pen from Pilot. It is the 07 size. You can also use some fun colored paper and post-it notes. I also use a plain black Sharpie and a flexible ruler to help me get those straight lines. So let's get started. Since I get a new journal for each year, I'm going to be starting off saying hello to this new year, which just so happens to be 2020. You can decorate this page however you want. In fact, you can decorate any page however you want. These are just some ideas. So now I'm going to be making a 2020 at a glance page. I like using a pencil first and a ruler to map out my lines and then going back with my pen. I'm then using my Tombow markers to add some color. I then add each individual number to the months and the days of the week, which definitely took a minute, but it was for sure worth it. I use this page to go back to each month to see when the month starts and what day of the week, and I can use it later for my monthly spreads. I'm going to then go back with an eraser to get all those pencil marks and put a piece of paper to get any Sharpie bleeding marks. I'm then going to have a page for title ideas. I'm going to refer back to this page whenever I'm making a new page, and I can see some ideas that I've already made up if I need a new header or new title for a page. Okay, now we're going to start dividing the sections by month. This is one of my favorite parts. Each month I create a new cover page for the month that reminds me of that month, and I have a theme to carry out. So for February I added some hearts, and January I had some stars, and now for March I have some leaves. But you can do absolutely any theme you'd like. For example, for April, I chose a bee theme, putting some honeycombs and some bees because that reminded me of the sunny times in April. And there's a lot of bees. I'll then use the time before the month starts to make some trackers. For example, this is a mood tracker. You can make any objects, about 30 to 31 of them for each month, and fill them in with certain colors to track your mood. I absolutely love making these pages, and I stuck with the same bee theme for this one. Well, that comes to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to see more individual pages, go check out my TikTok, like here's a sleep log, workout tracker, so many different pages, and also a habit tracker. So just go check it out and you can see more content. Thanks so much. Leave a like and subscribe below.